Hi, I'm Marisa, and if you're struggling with joint pain, you already know how frustrating it is to deal with stiffness, discomfort, and inflammation every single day. You might have come across Joint Restore Gummies by Prosper Wellness, which claim to naturally reduce joint pain using CBD and Boswellia serrata. But are they really worth it? Let's break it down. What's inside these gummies and do they actually work? The two main ingredients are CBD, a non-psychoactive compound from hemp. Boswellia serrata, a plant extract long known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Companies often call this combo a game changer for joint health. But what does the actual research say? Let's start with CBD. CBD has gained attention for its potential in relieving pain, especially in arthritis and inflammation. A 2020 review in Frontiers in Pharmacology found that CBD may reduce inflammatory pain, but most of that data comes from animal studies. There was also a 2018 study where CBD was applied topically, and that helped with arthritis symptoms. But remember, Joint Restore Gummies are taken orally, and so far, there isn't strong human evidence proving oral CBD helps with joint pain. Now let's talk about Boswellia serrata, and here the science is more solid. A 2003 study in phytomedicine found it reduced joint pain and swelling in osteoarthritis patients. Another study in Arthritis Research and Therapy in 2011 showed that taking Boswellia for 3 months improved knee pain and mobility. So when you combine CBD and Boswellia, the idea is to reduce inflammation from 2 different directions. But let's be real, results vary. Some people feel a clear improvement, while others don't notice much. If your joint pain is mild to moderate, the Boswellia might help over time. But if you're hoping for instant relief or a miracle fix, these probably aren't it. You'll need to take them consistently for a few weeks to see real results. Are they worth buying? Here are a few things to consider. If you're already on medication, especially blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. CBD can interact with certain drugs. If your joint issues are severe, like advanced arthritis or damage needing surgery, supplements like this won't reverse it. But if you're in the early stages or dealing with mild inflammation, these gummies could help support recovery over time. They work best when combined with regular movement, a healthy diet, and other good joint care habits. So, should you try Joint Restore Gummies? If you're looking for a natural supplement, the Boswellia in them is backed by real research. CBD's benefits are still being studied, but if it's helped you before, it might be worth trying again here. Just remember, they're not a cure, they won't work for everyone, and they need consistency and patience. If you've already tried them, let me know how they worked for you in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest health product reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.